Today, we're coming close to the end. We're wrapping the front bumper right now, and we have the rear bumper. That's the only part that's unwrapped right now. Front bumper, the material's great. It's still amazing. It's you know, it's able to bend over a lot of like amazing corners and stuff that I didn't think it was gonna make it. Like I thought this would have to be 2 pieces maybe. Passenger side came out pretty amazing right here. We don't have any issues with here. No glue lines, no nothing. So it came out pretty amazing. The seal on the window took a little bit of time to tuck in to, you know, have that clean look. I guess it's pretty worth it. It did take quite a bit of time. It took almost half a day to do that. Whole project, it's I think this is the first one that I've done solo, and it's quite a bit more work when you're doing it by yourself. You kind of have to work your way around things and figure out, you know, how to anchor the wrap a certain way so then you can actually pull on it without it, you know, coming loose. Whereas, you know, if you have multiple people, you can just stretch it, you know, every which way you want, just depending on how many hands you have. So the trunk was probably like the major thing. The trunk needed a lot of stretch. It's got kind of, well, it doesn't have a duckbill, but it's, you know, it's protrudes a lot in the middle. So you need most of your stretch in the middle. But to do it one person, it was actually quite hard. So I had to individually stretch each side, so doing left side and right side separately, versus if we just had multiple hands, you know, we could have just heat the whole entire thing and you'd get that stretch in the center a lot quicker. The best part is honestly the main body lines, right along the rear fender. I think they call it like the Z pattern or the Z design that they have, you know, where it sweeps and everything. That is probably my favorite part of the vehicle, right where it changes. No, we're working our way through it. We're still learning. There's a lot of things that I'm learning through here. But if you're interested, you know, just give us a call and we'll see if we can do something with some other people. So we're finishing up on the front bumper right now. You know, this is an older car. It is his daily driver, so it's seen some usage and abuse. Not really abuse, but you know, just normal wear and tear. And so one of the major parts is the underside of the front bumper. You know, it's got a lot of scrapes, a lot of bumps and stuff. So it's one of the areas that we're running into issues. You know. The main part of it is that the wrap, you know, it needs the clear coat and everything to stick properly. You know, with all the scratches and everything under it, we're having a hard time, or the wrap is having a hard time sticking to it. So one of the things that we're trying to do is, you know, there's an under tray, a plastic under tray under there. So we're gonna actually try to wrap the wrap around, all the way around, and utilizing that plastic under tray to hold everything in. Headlights, you know, it's nice. We're able to get in quite a bit deeper with them off. One of the problem areas, most likely, if we didn't take the headlights off, is this corner right here. So the fact that we were able to take it off, we can wrap around the corner a lot deeper than with the headlights on. So then, you know, this corner becomes less likely of a failure point.
Okay, so pretty much, so just to update you guys, Jason's wrapping up the front bumper, and then he's gonna start on the rear, and then we're going to also be upgrading the front headlights to LEDs. So now that he's pretty much just about done with the front bumper, we're gonna spend the time to install the LEDs back onto the car, and then he's gonna work on the rear, and then we should be almost just about done with the Genesis. So this is how it looks right now. Jason did a good job. Not bad for being the second vehicle he's wrapped. So we'll update you guys more as we go, and stay tuned.